What are Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs? In 2015, the General Assembly adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. These are based on the principle of leaving none behind, where it emphasizes a holistic approach to achieve SDGs. The 17 SDGs were laid to transform the world into a better place to live for everyone. The following are the 17 SDGs as laid by the United Nations 2030 Agenda. Let us learn about these in detail. Goal 1. This SDG aims to eradicate extreme poverty for all people in the world. Currently, 10% of the world's population live in poverty and are deprived of basic needs. Achieving this would mean a poverty-free world by 2030. Goal 2.
This SDG aims to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. It also aims to seek sustainable solutions to end hunger by 2030.
Goal 3. This SDG ensures healthy lives and promotes well-being for all at all ages. It aims to reduce deaths under 5 years of age, fight communicable diseases, promote mental health, and achieve universal health coverage. Goal 4. This SDG ensures inclusive and equitable quality education and promotes lifelong learning opportunities for all. It targets free primary and secondary education for all, affordable vocational and skill education, expanding higher education scholarships, and an increase in qualified teaching staff. Goal 5. This SDG aims to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. It aims to grant women and girls with equal rights, opportunities to live free without violence or any kind of discrimination. Goal 6. This SDG ensures the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. It aims to provide affordable drinking water, wastewater treatment, safe reuse, end open defecation, ensure fresh water supplies, protect and restore water-related ecosystems. Goal 7. This SDG ensures access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. It aims to achieve universal access to modern energy, increase in renewable energy and improvement in energy efficiency. It promotes access to research and technology to invest in expanding and upgrading clean energy. Goal 8. This SDG promotes sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. It also aims at economic growth, increased economic productivity, safe working environment, protecting labor rights, increased aid for trade support, and developing global youth employment strategy. Goal 9. This SDG aims to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. It aims to facilitate sustainable infrastructure development for developing countries, support industrial diversification and domestic technology development, and universal access to ICT. Goal 10. This SDG aims to reduce inequalities within and among countries. It also aims to reduce income inequalities, ensure equal opportunities to include developing countries in financial institutions, and helping the least developed countries. Goal 11. This SDG aims at making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. It aims to provide affordable housing, sustainable and affordable transport system, promote green environment and protect natural heritage. Goal 12. This SDG ensures sustainable consumption and production patterns. It aims to achieve efficient use of natural resources and reduce global food waste at retail and consumer level. Goal 13. This SDG aims to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. It aims to improve the present conditions to mitigate natural disasters and create awareness among people. Goal 14. This SDG aims at conserving and sustainably using the oceans, seas and marine resources for sustainable development. It aims to reduce water pollution and protect and restore ecosystems. Goal 15. This SDG aims to protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests and combat desertification. It aims to conserve ecosystems, end deforestation and protect biodiversity. Goal 16.
This SDG aims to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development.
Provide access to justice for all and build accountable institutions. It aims to reduce violence, protect women and child abuse, promote rule of law. Goal 17.
This SDG aims to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development.
It aims to ensure that countries and organizations cooperate instead of competing, increase international cooperation, and develop multi-stakeholder partnerships to share knowledge, expertise, technology, and financial support in achieving overall success of SDGs.